What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have electric scissors. This is 2000 milliamp batteries built in. So what you do is you use it until it dies. Plug it. Once it's charged, take it out and you can use it for pretty much a long time because you're not going to be using this all the time, depending on whatever you're doing daily. All right. This has 300 RPM. And it says a 1/4 inch max. 1/4 inch max is the thickness of what you can cut. I never really had to cut anything that thick. Most stuff I had to cut was like, you know, plastic. So these are good for those Costco products that you get that be in those plastic packages and it's hard to get open, even with your scissors. Ooh, this is nice. I might get rid of my old one, you guys. My old one is right over there. I might put it for sale. This is pretty cool. You have a green handle. Of course, it's white. The blade on here is cut in like an octagon. And I believe the other blade that I have on my other one is round. So I'm just giving y'all all the angles. So what you do is you press in the button and then you press the trigger. And then you watch it go. All right, do it again. All right, now it won't go if you don't press in that button. All right. And of course, the back, you charge it right there. And then it has the battery level. It went away, but it shows you the battery level here. Let me show. You see? There you go. So it comes with a blade. It comes with a charger, cool paperwork. It says warm tips. I'm not getting into that. That's something else. You have your instructions in which we basically went over most of everything on there. All right, you guys. So I got this packet a little while ago from Costco. Again, this is one of these packets that is hard to open. So you just stick it in, press your button, and then make it. All right, you guys, my bad, the camera died, so we're doing this again. Sam's Club, Costco, BJ's, you get these type of packages. Hard as I don't know what to open, all right? That's why you have one of these. All you do is put it on, line it up, and go. Oh, well, it went crooked. Go ahead and do this. Goes straight through, you guys. Oh, this is so awesome. All right, so this is cardboard. It will go through plastic. It says it goes through fabric. So we have some cut up jeans, some old fabric laying around. We always got something laying around, you guys. All right, so these are some jeans and I don't have no special marking or nothing. So we're just gonna go ahead and just have fun with this. So let's see. Wow. Oh, this is dangerous. Wow. So if I had a straight line, wow, look how it cut through the jeans. What? So we did fabric, we did cardboard. Of course it does plastic if it does the cardboard. I just have some spare rope laying around, you guys. I'm not gonna cut the whole rope. I might have to pull somebody out of the dirt. All right, so we have some rope right here. I don't even know where's the end. Okay, there you go. The beginning or the end, one or the other. Alpha, Omega. Wow. Look at that. I'm gonna do it. One more, you guys. I'm not gonna waste my rope on y'all. All right, so here we go. All right. All right, so if you see anybody tied up and you want to rescue them, get a pair of these. All right, you guys, I'm just kidding. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.